Welcome to our journey through the thrilling final chapters of Acts, chapters 25 to 28, where we follow the Apostle Paul on an adventure filled with danger, drama, and divine purpose. Trials, storms, and shipwrecks reveal the powerful persistence of faith against all odds. In Acts 25, we find Paul on trial before Governor Festus, with accusations from Jewish leaders. It's a scene straight out of a courtroom drama. Festus, unsure of how to proceed, offers Paul a chance to be tried in Jerusalem. But Paul asserts his right as a Roman citizen and appeals to Caesar, setting the stage for a remarkable journey to Rome.
Transition to Acts 26, where Paul gets another chance to defend himself, this time before King Agrippa. Here, Paul's speech is compelling as he recounts his conversion story.
In verse 28, Agrippa exclaims, "Do you think that in such a short time you can persuade me to be a Christian?" Paul's unwavering conviction leaves a lasting impression. Despite far more trial, Paul stays steadfast in his mission. Acts 27 unfolds with Paul's voyage to Rome, but the seas have another plan in mind. Brace yourself for a tempest-tossed narrative. A violent storm endangers the ship, yet amid the chaos, Paul reassures everyone with a message from an angel. "Do not be afraid, Paul. You must stand trial before Caesar," found in verse 24. His faith encourages those around him and keeps hope alive. Finally, in Acts 28, after a shipwreck that strands them on Malta, Paul's miraculous survival from a snakebite astounds the locals. This chapter highlights not only physical survival, but also spiritual resilience and the spread of the gospel to untamed lands. Upon reaching Rome, Paul continues to proclaim the gospel boldly, under house arrest yet unfettered in spirit. These chapters capture the essence of persistence and faith, showcasing Paul's unyielding mission to spread the teachings of Jesus.
Through trials on land and sea, Paul's story challenges us to remain steadfast in our purpose, no matter the storms we face. Thanks for exploring these chapters with us. Remember, no storm is too fierce when faith is your anchor.